Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into your Google account and check storage to see how much is used. Once signed in, install the Google Drive app or open Drive. Google.com, this gives you the uploader and sync options. Next, enable backup and sync or Drive for desktop and pick the specific folders you want stored in the cloud. Do this now so uploads are organized, making sure to select only what you need preserves space and speeds up the first sync. Now upload and structure your storage. You can drag and drop or use new file upload and folder upload. Choose bulk uploads for many files. Once uploaded, make folders, apply colors, and add short descriptions to improve searchability. This matters when you have hundreds of items. Consider converting large Office documents to Google Docs/Sheets to save space. However, keep originals if compatibility matters. After organizing, let Drive finish syncing. Finish by managing space and confirming everything synced. Empty trash to free storage and go to storage to delete the largest items or duplicates. If you need more room, buy Google One Storage or use sharing and selective sync to keep only essential files online. If something goes wrong, pause syncing, restart the Drive app, and verify your internet connection and file permissions. This fixes most issues. Make sure syncing completes, then verify files open correctly so you know your storage setup is reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.